Today is a green smoothie, and I've got 1 banana, 1 cup of cherries, 2 cups of spinach, 1 cup of almond milk. I've got a serving of pea protein, 1 serving of beetroot powder, and 1 serving of moringa powder. So I'm going to go ahead and add everything into the blender. And I usually like to do this smoothie. It's a high vegan protein smoothie. After the post-workout, whenever I do strength training and toning, I find that it keeps me satiated for the rest of the day, and it helps my muscles to rebuild. So all right, so I'm going to go ahead and blend this together until thick and creamy.